welcome. Thank you so much for pressing play. My name is Laura Osman and I'm here today to teach you how to keep a hula hoop up on your waist. First and foremost, we want to talk about hoop size, yes? So the bigger the hoop and the heavier the hoop, the easier it is. That said, I do not recommend getting a hula hoop that is over 2 pounds. So please keep it to about 1 pound or 2 when you're just starting out. This hula hoop here that I'm holding is a 40-inch hoop that I ordered through the Spinsters. I order all of my hula hoops for my classes through the Spinsters. If you use the code Beauty in Movement, you'll receive 10% off your first order. Or I also sell hoops here locally in Portland, Oregon. So if you need a hoop hookup, let me know. Come talk to me. So let's begin, shall we? Placing the hoop on the small of your back, just like so. We want to begin where the hoop is parallel to the ground. So not starting like this, right? You want to set yourself up for success, because when this thing is going around your waist, it's going to be in the horizontal position, or that's what you're going to want to strive for anyway. So we want to first begin with just this lateral rotation. I like to call this a little bit of a meet and greet, saying hello to your hoop, right? Connecting in with it with this nice lateral rotation so you can just get comfortable with how it's going to feel on the small of your back, running around your body here. Good. Soft bend in the knees, tucking the pelvis forward so we're nice and engaged, right? So I'll show you from the side here. I'm going to have a nice soft bend in my knees and then tilting my pelvis forward. So my lower abdominals are nice and engaged. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back is going to be the motion here. Not this, yeah? Not that. You're going to want to just really concentrate it. I like to think of this ball of light coming from my belly. And that ball of light is just pushing it, helping me, bringing all that energy focused here to your abdomen. Good. So we're going to begin winding it up. Yeah, we know the motion. Forward, back, send it off. It's going to push onto your belly first. Now, what I want to say here is that I've been doing this for 10 years now, nearly 10 years. And so when I first began, I was going really, really fast. It was quite the cardiovascular workout for me in the beginning. So know that over time, you're going to be building up the muscle memory, and so you're going to be slower. So if you see me on this video and you're moving at the rate that I'm moving at, you're going to want to probably go a little faster in order to keep it up. I started here, moving and grooving, okay? Good. So I also want to talk about our feet. Now, once we get it going, we have one foot in front of the other. It's very important to place that other foot in the front as well, right? Now your body is going to have balance. So you don't just want to keep cranking on that same hip flexor all day. If you're hooping all day, maybe you will be, yeah? So you want to switch up your footing a little bit. Wide stance is also an option here. And now when we come into a wide stance, it's going to be a bit more side to side. It still isn't this, right? It's really concentrated. So side to side, side to side, side to side. When it starts to kiss your hips and you begin to lose it, do not panic. It's just a hula hoop, right? First and foremost, take a deep breath. But what you're going to want to do is one of two things. One, pump faster. So as I'm pumping along here, doing my thing, it's starting to go down. I feel it. Bring that energy to your belly and really zip it up and pump faster. Think belly, 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 belly. Yeah? Belly, 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 belly. Good. Another way to recover it is going to be to bend your knees. So it starts to go down, bend, and then I can bring it back up to the level of my waist. Again, it goes down, bringing it up. You can also do a bit of a hip check. Down, whoop, hip check it back up. Cool. Oftentimes, as a beginner, and even myself included, we find ourselves in T-Rex, just like this, or some variation of T-Rex. Yeah? So open your wings. You were given these limbs. What a gift they are that you are able to express yourself and get creative. So explore that space beside you, above you, in front of you, behind you, around you. Maybe just begin by leaving the arms out to the side at first, and then progress. Where else can you take those arms? Good. Nice. I hope that you found this video helpful today as you're beginning your hoop journey. If you have any questions, please don't ever hesitate to reach out. My email address is laura@beautyinmovement.com, and my website is beautyinmovement.com. There you'll find a variety of hoop events and classes that are ongoing, and I would love to see you in them one of these days. Happy hooping to you.